Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tackling a common kitchen dilemma, what to do with leftover stale bread. I'm going to show you how to turn that old bread into something truly delicious in no time. Air fryer stale bread pizza. It's not only a delicious way to use up stale bread, but also a quick and easy recipe that you'll want to make over and over again. I have loaf of stale bread that my daughter sliced, a little bit thick, but it will work. I have sweet red and green peppers and some fresh rosemary. It is optional. 1 tomato, 2 different kind of cheeses, 1 Turkish white cheese and yellow kashar cheese. You can use whatever you have, the leftovers. Going to crack 1 egg and add some seasonings. So first I'm gonna begin by cutting my veggies, just thinly slicing the green peppers. You might not have this one, whichever you have, just dice the peppers. I'm gonna use half of the red pepper since it's big. Again, dicing the tomatoes. If you like, you can peel, but I prefer to keep it like this. And I'm gonna transfer them into my bowl. Since I had some fresh rosemary, I wanted to use it. It is optional. As I said, you can use thyme or oregano, either fresh or dried. Just slicing or cutting into cubes, doesn't matter. My kashar cheese, you can use mozzarella or similar kinds. And going to add some white cheese. At the last minute, we also wanted to add some olives. And for the seasoning, some pul biber, chili flakes, and dried basil. Just give them a mix. Break the white cheese and crack 1 egg. The egg will combine everything here and it will be easier to transfer to the bread pieces while giving extra flavor. Normally I like to slice my loaf of bread thinly, but this time, since my daughter was helping me to prepare the recipe, she cut them a little bit thicker. It's up to you, but I would suggest to slice them a little bit thinner. What do you think? Before I place my topping, I spread some tomato paste to my slicing breads to give an extra taste and to give that feeling like in the pizza sauce. And get 2 full tablespoons from the topping and place generously over the bread slices. As an option for the topping, you can also add some sliced sucuk or sausage, or stir-fried veggies, some mushroom, could be zucchini. Give your ideas what else you would add to this delicious topping. So I'm placing my slices to my air fryer. Definitely you can also make this in the oven, but if you are cooking for 3-4 person, the air fryer option would be much more easier and quick. Drizzling extra olive oil over the breads and going to bake them in the broil option of my air fryer for about 10 minutes in 200 Celsius degree. They look perfect, just like how I wanted. The bread is still a bit soft but crispy on the sides, not over baked or dry. The topping is set and smells delicious. So my friends, I've taken a simple everyday ingredient like stale bread and turned it into a gourmet delight with my air fryer stale bread pizza. I think it's a proof that you don't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen to create something truly delicious. So the next time you find yourself with some leftover bread that's seen better days, remember this recipe. Give it a try and get creative with your toppings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and share this with anyone who needs a solution for their stale bread. Thanks for joining me today. Happy cooking and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.